Don't let hiccups ruin your day. Here are some simple ways to get rid of them. Try holding your breath for a few seconds or tensing your abdominal muscles. Take small sips of water or bite into a lemon wedge. Another method is to lean forward and hold your breath while someone pulls your ears. You can also try breathing slowly into a paper bag or relaxing with deep breaths. And finally, focus on something that surprises or scares you. Try these easy methods, and one of them might just be the perfect way for you to beat those hiccups.